Nowadays, air conditioners are being used in many homes. Because of this, after installing an air conditioner, electricity bills have become very high. If you are also one of them, then by installing a 5 kilowatt solar system at your home, whether hybrid, off-grid or on-grid, you can reduce your electricity bill or also get battery backup. If you have 24-hour electricity supply at your place, then you can go for an on-grid system. If electricity cuts happen more during the daytime, then you can choose an off-grid system. If you want both grid export feature and battery backup, then you can go for a hybrid system. So in today's video, we are going to explain in detail how much it can cost to install a 5 kilowatt on-grid, off-grid and hybrid solar system. First, let us talk about the on-grid solar system. In most companies, the price is almost the same. Here on the screen, you can see the UTL company 5 kilowatt on-grid solar system kit. In this kit, you get all the components required for a solar system. The price of this kit is 2,67,000 rupees, and on this you also get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. In this kit, you get the UTL company GTI 5 kilowatt on-grid inverter, which comes with a 10-year warranty. You also get 535 watt N-type TOPCon DCR bifacial solar panels. You get 9 solar panels, which together make a 5 kilowatt solar system. The product warranty on the solar modules is 10 years and the performance warranty is 27 years. Along with this, you also get installation material like ACDB, DCDB, lightning arrestor, earthing material, SPD, conduit pipe, MC4 connectors and nuts and bolts. So you get complete material in this kit. One important point to note is that the cost of structure and installation is not included in this kit. That cost will be informed to you by the UTL company vendor. This kit only includes the components. The cost of the structure depends on the height at which you want to install it. The higher the structure, the higher the cost. If we include the cost of structure and installation, then the complete setup costs around 2,80,000 rupees. Out of this, you get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. So effectively, this system costs you around 2 lakh rupees. If you want a slightly cheaper option, then Wari company also provides a similar kit. This kit costs around 2,45,000 rupees. On this also, you get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. In this kit as well, structure and installation charges are extra. You can choose either Ware or UTL. Both are well-known brands. Ware provides 10 solar panels of 555 watt each and a 5 kilowatt GTI inverter. All required components are included in the kit. Many companies provide such combo kits in the market. Now, let us talk about the cost of an off-grid solar system. Off-grid systems can be customized according to your needs. You can choose any number of batteries. The minimum requirement is 4 batteries and you can go up to 8 batteries. Solar panels can be installed according to the inverter capacity. Now, let us talk about the best inverters for a 5 kilowatt solar system. At number 1 is Eastman Smart Max 6100. This is a 5 kVA 48 volt off-grid solar inverter. It offers very high panel capacity. You can connect up to 6 kilowatt solar panels on this inverter. Its VOC range is from 80 volts to 180 volts. Because of this, you can use the latest technology panels or even HJT technology panels. It has a 104 ampere solar charge controller which charges batteries very efficiently. It supports both lithium and lead acid batteries. It also offers 3 working modes. One of them is intelligent hybrid solar mode, which helps reduce electricity bills and improve battery backup. In terms of load capacity, you can run around 4 kilowatt load. If solar panels are connected, you can even run up to 4,500 watts load. You get 3 years warranty on the inverter and 10 years warranty on the transformer. That is why this inverter is number 1 on our list. Its price is around 45,000 rupees to 47,000 rupees. At number 2 is Aprotron 6500. This is a 5350 VA inverter. It has a 109 ampere MPPT solar charge controller. With this, you can install around 6 kilowatt solar panels. You can easily install 10 solar panels of 575 watt each. It has a VOC of 195 volts. Because of this, you can also use ST technology solar panels. You can run around 4 kilowatt load on this inverter. It also has saving modes like SL1, SL2, SL3 and SL4. These modes help reduce electricity bills and increase battery backup. Its price is also around 45,000 rupees. Next comes the UTL Alpha Pro 5 kVA 48 volt solar inverter. It supports 5 kVA load, which means around 4 kilowatt load. You can connect up to 5 kilowatt solar panels. It has a VOC of 160 volts. You can use almost any panel technology with it. It comes with a 100 ampere RMPPT solar charge controller. It also has priority based working modes like Smart PCU hybrid mode, which saves energy and improves battery backup. It also supports IT loads. The price of this inverter is around 46,000 40,000 rupees to 47,000 rupees. If you want a heavy duty solar PCU that supports both lithium and lead acid batteries, then you can choose Asa Power. It uses a high grade CRGO laminate copper transformer which is very efficient and high performance. Because of this, its efficiency is better than many other inverters. It supports lithium batteries, making it future proof. You can connect around 5200 watt solar panels and run around 4 kilowatt load. Its price is around 56,000 rupees. All these inverters fall in the range of 45,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees. All of them require 4 batteries. The cost of 4 batteries comes to around 50,000 rupees, but solar panels cost around 18 to 20 rupees per watt. N-type TOPCon panels can be purchased for around 1 lakh rupees. Additionally, structure and wiring cost around 35,000 rupees. So the complete off-grid setup costs around 2,35,000 rupees and provides good battery backup. Now let us talk about the hybrid system. In hybrid systems, only a few brands are considered best and DA is one of them. We are also using this system. The DA hybrid solar inverter costs around 1 lakh rupees. If you want a DA lithium battery, it costs around 1,20,000 rupees. Bifacial solar panels cost around 1 lakh rupees. Additional costs come to around 50,000 rupees. So the total setup costs around 3,70,000 rupees. There is no subsidy here because DCR panels are not used. If you use DCR panels, their cost becomes around 1,50,000 rupees. Then the total system cost becomes around 4,20,000 rupees. On this, you can get a subsidy of 78,000 rupees. After subsidy, the final cost becomes around 3,42,000 rupees. This setup also gives you the benefit of net metering. Now let us talk about people who already have an inverter with 4 batteries. If they want to add solar panels, they can use an MPPT solar charge controller from Asha Power. The model is Neon 80HV. It has a VOC of 210 volt. Because of this, you can use HJT technology panels as well. With 4 batteries, you can install up to 6 kilowatt solar panels using this controller. Its price is around 18,000 rupees. Additional cost come to around 35,000 rupees. Solar panels cost around 90,000 rupees. So in around 1,45,000 rupees, you can install this setup. This is the cheapest option. I hope now you clearly understand how much it costs to install a 5 kilowatt solar system. You can choose on-grid, off-grid or hybrid according to your budget. If you still have any questions or suggestions, please comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, please like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. After subscribing, make sure to press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.